There will not be mobile network problem in Similipal Sanctuary of Mayurbhanj district in Odisha anymore. 4G mobile service is now available in the sanctuary, which is surrounded by dense forests and hills, as the government-owned Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (Bsnl) has installed 3 mobile towers in different locations of the Similipal Sanctuary. During her recent visit, President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the high-speed mobile network services with the aim to provide mobile network connectivity to remote and underserved areas of the sanctuary. She inaugurated the first of its kind mobile towers at Gurgudia, Astakwar and Barsia. In a forest area of about 2,750 square kilometers, the general mobile tower coverage is very low due to the complexity of the terrain. Local villagers and tourists often complain about the network problems. However, efforts have been made to address this problem with the launch of the 4G mobile services, and now it is expected that the social and economic development of the local residents in the forest and remote areas will begin. Restrictions on installation of mobile towers in forests were prohibited due to forest environment protection. The mobile network might affect tigers and other wild animals of the forest. In such a situation, a proposal was made by the Odisha government to install mobile towers in Similipal. In February last year, a National Tiger Conservation Authority (NTCA) team visited the area to review the situation and gave permission to install the mobile towers in some places in March 2025. This is mainly for wildlife protection, tourism and local villagers. Later, permission was given for installation only in some villages and buffer zone areas, excluding the core zone of the Similipal. Following the permission of NTCA, the mobile towers have been installed in 4 places. However, in the first phase, the services started on Friday in Gurgudia, Astakwar and Barsia under Jashipur block of Mayurbhanj district, informed Bsnl Odisha head Dushmant Kumar Behra. From Similipal, report by Basudev Patra and Satyajit Som.